I received my 24 inches bone straight from K-HAIR. Yeah. I must tell you, I love the quality of the hair. Look at it. Very beautiful. Look at it. Very, very beautiful. Seriously, I love it. Thank you so much, Sarah. Thank you so much. You're really a darling. You've been helpful. You've been truthful. I've never seen a truthful person like this before. You are very, very truthful. I must commend you. Seriously, you are truthful. You are wonderful. You're friendly. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, K-HAIR. The quality is. Thank you. This is Nigeria. All right. Bye. All right. I promise to make